What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna open the CO36 box here. Bam! So the box from CO36 has a very environmentally friendly feel to it. You can see the recycle logo there, just made out of probably recycled cardboard. I'm not sure, but we're gonna open here and here we go. Dress outside the box. I like that little note. It has a little character to it, and it smells really good. Oh my goodness, it smells really, I've never unboxed something that has a smell to it. Okay, first surprise here, a CO36 reusable mug. Again, going with the theme of sustainability and recycling. You can recycle this or you can throw it in the washing machines. Thank you for the mug. I will definitely be enjoying this. And you know I love my monochrome color, so on point. And yeah, you hit it on the head. Coffee does make me happy. All right, awesome, home run there. And here we've got 2 pieces and a note. So here at CO36, we strive to make the world a greater place. You can help by recycling. Sustainability. Okay, so the only thing that the hints that I got before receiving this package is that they said it was, you know, where they're getting it for the summer, and so they're gonna send some short sleeve shirts, which are my jam. I'm very tempted to take you guys downstairs to my dressing room. In fact, let's go right now. Sorry, I kind of skipped the unboxing, but it's a clean white shirt and it's a clean black shirt. Got the colors here, got some color there, and then this bin is just black shirts. So, you know, we got the, what is this? Organic long line from Cotton On. We've got Mott and Bow. We've got, this is a Uniqlo cotton shirt. This is a Gap Fit. So these shirts right here are gonna get incorporated into my wardrobe so nicely. Okay, so before I throw these shirts on, I kind of want to just, you know, feel them out a little bit, literally, and just check them out. Just see what it's like. This shirt right here has a, I wouldn't say a heavy weight to it, but it's on the heavier side, heavy, medium, somewhere in between there. Can't help but notice the UPC code here. That's not called UPC. What is this called? I don't know. I'm not up with the tech these days. Very streamlined look, no tags sticking out. And I wonder if there's a tag here, you know, on the side, and there is, as there usually are. 95 cotton, 5% spandex. And oh, I didn't catch this earlier. This is why I like to take a tour of the pieces. There is a CO36 embossing, I think that's what it's called. It's embossed here on the bottom right. I love little subtle details like that. At first glance, this just looks like a black shirt, a bunch of nothing. But those who are really watching, those who pay attention to the little details will notice this little CO36 here, which is awesome. That's an awesome, awesome little detail here. But if you guys have the Western Rise Everyday Tee, this feels a lot like it. It's kind of like a cotton with some stretch to it and a nice sturdy feel, not like a flowy, it's not like cuts. I love this kind of shirt for hiking, you know, where it's base layers, you want something comfortable, something stretchy, something that's gonna breathe, something more sturdy than a t-shirt that's just gonna get like soaked. I'm guessing the white shirt is the same, but it's in white. And check for that embossing down there on the bottom right side, which does have that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so here's the black CO36 shirt. Something that I didn't notice earlier, but becomes super obvious when you put it on, is that there is a rib here around the arm. So it's not just like a flowy cuff, it does hug your arm. But I don't have much arm to hug, but that's okay, because this works out. It's just right. It's not too tight, kind of like pinching my bicep, but it's a streamlined black shirt look, which looks awesome. Like, I don't know why other people haven't discovered this thing. It's very new. I'm very intrigued by this. But yeah, I'm liking this. It's a good length down here. It's a flat cut down here. Just super excited about this. The collar right here is not too, what do you call it? It's not choking me or anything like that, so that feels good. It's not too loose as well. It's just got a perfect, clean feel to it. Definitely see myself incorporating this black shirt into my everyday wardrobe, my everyday attire. Thanks, Jobs. Okay, well, I would expect this to have a very similar feel, and it does. Although this one, for whatever reason, I'm noticing 2 things. One is this shoulder, it's not a pad, but it's like this shoulder stitching on the top, which, you know, I'm sure this black shirt has, but I just didn't notice it earlier. Yeah, it does have it too. And then the second thing is I noticed the cuff just feels a little tighter on this shirt for some reason. I don't know if that's a mental thing, but yeah, I feel more jacked in this shirt, even though I have a dad bod here. Now, I'm gonna give you away the secret of why I don't wear white shirts. It's because of this embarrassing PENS, permanent erectile nipple syndrome. Do they make bras for men? I'm not sure, but that's something that I might need here, or just do some push-ups. I don't know, but that's why I usually wear black shirts. It just kind of hides this a little more, or I wear a vest or a hoodie with a zipper. But now you know the secret. Well, it's not so secret because I already said that in a previous video. I could see myself wearing this as an undershirt, something that is, just gonna make me feel good, with swag, confident, under some kind of hoodie that's not too loud. This has been the unboxing and first impression of the CO36 shirts, both in black and white, the cotton with the spandex. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comments section down below. I love interacting with you guys in that way. Make it a great day. Hope this was helpful. Catch you guys on the next one. Label, barcode, UPC? It's not a UPC. What is it? What is it?